Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. This is my wife Joy.
Hello.
Today we're going to show you how to order a Tesla Model 3 using the referral link and also being a reservation holder. Alright Joy, can you go to your screen there and type in ts.la//Thomas 7208. So this is my referral link. You don't have to use it. You can use any referral link you like, but of course I'll put that in the description below and also in the comments section for you to use. So let's select our region, which is Australia, of course. And if you clicked it right, you will see that this will come up, save with Thomas's referral. Obviously this is mine, but it'll come up with save with whoever's referral you use. So let's click on custom order for Model 3. Alrighty, confirm our location, New South Wales, and it's personal. So again, if you've used a referral link, this screen will come up, free supercharger kilometers. We will be given 1,500 kilometers free supercharger. Now this is very important. We are both, well, Joy is a Model 3 reservation holder under my name, of course. We were promised by Tesla last year that being a Tesla owner, reservation holders who are Tesla owners already will get priority with delivery. So I don't know how true that is, but we'll find out anyway when they do come. So let's click on I have a Model 3 reservation. Okay, so now I will sign into my account. Okay, so now we are in my Tesla account. As you can see, I've got a Model S, Powerwall, and the Model 3 reservation, which will now convert into a purchase. So Joy, let's click on Manage. Okay, so now it says your Model 3 is ready to be designed. So let's do that. Again, let's confirm our location. We're in New South Wales, so let's click Continue. Again, free supercharger kilometers. That's to confirm I get my 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Let's design now. Okay, so in Australia, we've got two options. The Standard Range Plus at $66,000 and the Performance version at $85,000. You get a partial premium interior with a Standard Range Plus, and you get a premium interior with a Performance version. And also there is a difference in range and top speed and acceleration as well. So let's have a look at Standard Range Plus right now. Top speed is 225 kilometers an hour, range of 460 kilometers, which is NEDC, by the way, not WLTP. I'll explain that later in a different video. And acceleration is 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5.6 seconds. Let's click Performance to see the difference. As you can see, the range has gone up to 560 kilometers. Top speed has gone up significantly to 261 kilometers an hour, which we will probably never ever reach in Sydney.
Nope.
And acceleration actually has gone up significantly as well, dropping to 3.4 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour time, which is actually much faster than the long range all-wheel drive, which is what we were kind of planning to get.
Yeah, I think 3.4 seconds is also faster than the Model S that you've got.
That I've got, yeah. Mine's sort of in the 5-second range, so yeah, you'll have a faster car than me. Yeah, so there's a bit of a price difference, obviously, but you do get a much better car. Okay, so the difference between the partial premium and premium interior. So both cars, you get adjustable heated front seats, you get rear heated seats with a premium interior, you get a better audio system with a premium interior, you get better maps with premium, you get in-car streaming with the premium car, which might affect some people's enjoyment of the car because you don't get Spotify streaming with the partial and premium interior. Location-aware automatic garage door opener, which means that you can press a button on the car and your garage door will open if you sync it correctly. Get LED fog lamps with both, and also you get center console with storage, USB ports for smartphones for both cars. All interiors include tinted glass roof, auto-dimming, power folding heated side mirrors, music and media over Bluetooth, and custom driver profiles. So I guess you're paying for better sound and probably a better interior as well.
Yeah, and I mean, if you can, obviously in the partial premium, if you can still get your music and media over Bluetooth, you'd still be able to stream Spotify through your own phone and your own, your own phone account that way.
Yep. Okay. Well, let's close that, and we'll go on to, I guess we'll go for the Performance version.
Yes, and also those prices are not the drive-away prices
They're
as
not,
well.
No. We'll go through that in a second, but the estimated delivery down the bottom here, you'll see it's August, which is 2 months away at this stage. All right, so let's click on Next. So, options. What color should we go for?
The kids wanted me to buy a red car, so I'm going to get a red car.
Let's get a red car. Okay, so red you get for an extra $2,800. Can we just cycle through each color just to show our folks how much each one is?
So Black is standard.
Mm-hmm.
No additional cost. And then I think these silver, blue...
1,400 extra.
Yeah. White's a little bit more.
2,100. The kids have good taste. So aero wheels, they look fine anyway, to be honest. Performance upgrade, we're not going to select because you do get quite a few fancy things with it.
If we click it to see what changes.
You get better wheels.
Oh yeah.
Brakes you can't see. You get a carbon fibre spoiler. A little bit of a nubbin at the back.
Yeah, you can just see that changing.
Lowered suspension, which is actually kind of productive to what we need because we've got a high driveway.
Yep.
Alloy pedals, that's a vanity thing, I guess. Increased top speed, that's pretty quick, to 261 kilometers an hour. I actually thought the car was already 261.
I think that's what it said on the other one, but I guess
Yeah.
they were saying if you get the performance upgrade on top of this.
If you choose that. Okay,
Yep.
we'll have to review that in a second to see what the acceleration is without this performance
That's
package.
true. Yep.
Okay, so we've gone through. Look, I'll do this in a separate video anyway for the performance upgrade. So let's just skip all this because we're not going to go with this anyway. So let's click on next. Okay, so all black interior. There's been some discussion on Twitter on where the white interior is because that's available in the US but not here. Now, Elon Musk himself has actually said that they're not going to bring the white interior to Australia and other smaller markets at this stage. So happy with black?
Happy with black.
Happy with black. I mean, it's going to be cooled anyway in the cabin, right? So that's not a big deal on hot summer days. Okay, let's click on next. Okay, Autopilot. So Autopilot is included, and that's standard Autopilot, and that's like lane keeping. It's basically glorified cruise control, standard Autopilot, which is quite handy on long drives.
Mm.
Full self-driving, we're going to forego at this stage. It's quite expensive at $7,000. There's been talk that it's going to be more expensive if you buy it later on. We don't really need full self-driving, I think, at this stage. And I don't think it's actually allowed on Australian roads at this stage anyway.
Yep. So there's no point paying $7,000 for something that I legally wouldn't be allowed to use or want to use anyway.
Okay, so we're going to forego full self-driving. Again, I'll do another video down the track on full self-driving capability as well. All right, let's keep going with next. Okay, so we've come to the payment page. It's asking us for a $3,000 payment today. Now, with our reservation, we actually already paid $1,500. There's no mention of that just yet. I assume that amount will be deducted from the final payment down the track when we do take delivery of the car. At this stage, we've got a red Tesla Model 3 with premium interior, standard wheels, no full self-driving, no performance package, and we are expecting to pay $97,404 drive away in August when it's delivered. I assume that includes stamp duty as well in New South Wales. In fact, here we are, the pricing details
There
right
you
here.
go.
So
Yep.
let's go through that again. $85,000 base price for the performance version, $2,800 for the red multi-coat paint, 18-inch aero wheels, all black premium interior, Autopilot, delivery fee of $875, luxury car tax $3,944. In Australia, there is a luxury car tax, meaning that for fuel-efficient cars like a Tesla, anything over $75,000, you pay a bit of tax over that. So for this car, it's going to be almost $4,000. Stamp duty of $3,700, again, another tax. Registration costs $495, that's standard. In fact, that's the same price as what we pay for your current Mazda CX-5, so that's not increased. Local CTP, that's compulsory third-party insurance here in New South Wales. That's more for injuries in case you are involved in an accident. Local plate fee.
That will be a license plate. So
License plate.
I'm actually wondering whether I could change that because there's different kinds of license plates that you can get here in New South Wales. Some of the standard, they're pretty tall and wide and kind of ugly looking to slap onto a Tesla. So you can get slightly more slimline ones. So I wonder whether I'd be able to do that down the track.
Yeah, I guess when the time comes, we'll revisit that.
Yeah.
Okay, so on-road fees, $8,000 on top of that, which means that the driveway price is $97,404. Tesla's put this 5-year petrol savings, which I'm not going to look at because that's very variable. So, I mean, they're saying that the price after savings is $91,000, but who knows? Okay, well, the real price is $97,000.
Yep.
Due today, $3,000. Are you happy, Joy, with that?
Yeah, I'm happy. I think I'm getting, tomorrow's car, which is actually today's car really in America, but tomorrow's car for Australia for under $100,000. So,
Brilliant.
yeah.
Okay, that's good. We've talked long and hard about this, so I think we're ready to go ahead and pull the trigger, so to speak. So we're going to provide payment, and we'll get back to you in 1 second. Alright, so we just pressed place order on the screen. Check it out, order complete. Yes. Alright, so there we are. Alright, well that's how you order a Tesla Model 3 with the referral link. And if you are a reservation holder, I can't stress this enough. If you're going to buy a Model 3, you have to use a referral link at the very beginning. Don't rely on placing the order and retrofitting it with a referral code. That's not going to work anymore. So use the referral link at the beginning to get 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Otherwise, you're going to forfeit that freebie.
Yep. And I guess the other thing was that the link, if you were already a reservation holder, was actually pretty tiny. So if you're, super keen on ordering that Model 3 of yours, make sure that you're logged in before you do it, and don't just sort of go through the process without logging in first.
Absolutely. Take time to have a look at everything. Yep. No rush. It will still be there. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Tesla Tom and Joy.
Hello.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave my referral link, as I said, in the comment section and in the description below. If you've ordered a Model 3 already, congratulations. You're going to love this car. And if you're thinking about doing so, good luck and very best of luck to you. And thank you to everyone who's already used my referral code. I really appreciate that. And guys, thanks for watching. And as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Happy charging!